Hi, today I want to take you through my little product idea for what I call the SSW Global Map. SSW now is a big global organization, but unfortunately a lot of us just don't appreciate the size of the company. We don't know how many employees work for us and just the scope of how many different cities and time zones that we're in. So I would like this little tool to help rectify that and visually show anyone the scope and size and how many employees we have at SSW and the rich culture we have. And how I would like to show this to everyone is through a map of the Earth. Now on this map, I would want a number of pushpins, one for each city. And each pushpin will have the name of the city that we have people working for us in, the number of staff there, and the current time. And on top of that, I want an animated day-night cycle. So throughout the day, we'll see this animated across to see where the current day zone is on the Earth. And of course, I want each of those pushpins to update throughout the day with what the current time is. So at any point, people will open it up, see the vast scope and go, hey, it's currently 10 PM in Melbourne, but oh, wait, it's 1 PM in Belgium. I can go and ping Ben Cole up there. Or hey, Slovenia is still online, I can ping Daniel Smon and ask him a couple questions. Or if not that, just appreciate that when you send an email to someone, they may not reply back to you immediately because we are such a big global entity. Now my map would have a number of different uses and places that we could embed it. The most obvious would be to just embed it on the front page of the intranet. So whenever anyone opens up an intranet, they get a nice little reminder of the size of SSW and all the different time zones. We could also embed this on the SSW reception. Now on our reception desk, we currently have a large LCD screen there showing some stats about SSW. So why not utilize that and allow our customers to see just how many offices we have globally and that we can support you, no matter where you are on the Earth. Now, we currently have an LCD monitor, but we could always upgrade that to a Surface Hub. But hey, I'm not greedy, we can start small and work up to a Surface Hub. Now the technologies I'd like to be used in this project is first of all a map layer. So that could be either Bing Maps, Google Maps or the Kendo UI map. But if we do want to open source this and just let other people use it, then we're going to have to use a Bing or Google map. I'd like us to use AngularJS so we can data bind our data to the pushpins. So we'd have one data entry for each of the offices, and each of those data entries would have the name of the office, the current time, and then we'll be able to just update that, and it should all just update themselves. And of course, we need TypeScript for all of the code and the logic to make sure that all of this is nice and good and solid. Now, some of the little benefits I'd expect from this. The first one is it's just a nice, fun, small little task that we could get a developer to work on when they're on internal work, and I'd expect it to take about a week. A week to get something up and running, maybe 2 weeks if we want to make it nice and clean and embeddable in a number of different places, such as a web part for SharePoint or something that we can embed on our monitor inside of the front reception desk. Now, I also think this would help a lot in our company culture. It helps us just everyone agree, realize that just the size of the company and just the global presence that we have. So I think this would be a nice tiny little project that would have some good benefits for SSW as a company. So give me your feedback, let me know what you think, and I look forward to talking to you. Thanks.